Okay, so we should have had on our desk all day lesson 8s. We already got them out on Friday so that when the substitute was here, we would be ready. So if anybody needs to move to the front of the class, everybody's sitting where they can learn and ready. So pause the video if you need to do that. All right, so you do not have this problem. So I just have it. It is okay that it is not in your paper. Okay, so I'm gonna read this. Will is preparing for a bike race and plans to ride the same number of miles each day for 1 full week. Well, when I'm reading 1 full week, I know that a week is 7 days, so that must be an important number. At the end of the week, he realized he's biked 112 miles. So if I was trying to draw a picture of this to help me understand what the word problem said, so I know that I was on my bike. Let's see if I can make my handles. Here we go. I'm riding my bike. So I did a full week. It's going to kind of look like a calendar that we did last week. So I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I'm biking, and I realized at the end of the whole week, I changed that number to 112 miles. I didn't have enough pieces, so I changed it to 112. That number right there says 112. So how many miles did he ride on a given day? So if this was my total miles, what operation do I need to do? Go ahead, turn to somebody sitting next to you and share what operation we need to do to solve that problem. So you were right. It is division because I have to share that with each day. So I'm going to do 112 divided by 7. So today we're going to model what that looks like with our base 10 pieces. So I have, in my hundreds grid, I have my 100, I have my 10, and I have my 2, 112. So I have to divide that into 7 pieces, or 7 days, not really pieces. I'm going to get a new piece of paper, and I'm going to make 7 pots for 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 days. All right, well, I only have 100, and that's not going to split very evenly. So what am I going to have to do? Go ahead, pause the video, and talk to your neighbor about what I should do. How am I going to share this 100 with my 7 days? So if you said that I'm going to trade, you're right. So I'm going to take 10. Oh, I need one more. 10 rods, 10 tens is the same as 100, but so now these need to slide over into the tens column. So I actually now have 11 because I had one from before, and now I have 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and my one from 11. So I'm going to do something called divvying up. So I'm going to put 1 into each pot. As a reminder, you are just watching. You do not need to draw this. You do not have to have the base 10 pieces. You're just watching what I'm doing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I shared 1 with each. Now I only have 4 tens left. That's not enough to share. So what should I do? I turn to your neighbor. Tell them what you think I should do. So if you said I should do some more trading, you were right. So I have 10 tens. I happen to have over here, let's just double check that they line up right. I'm going to trade 1 rod for 10 units. 1 rod for 10 units. So I traded that one. I'm going to trade another rod for 10 units. think I could squish one more in. Okay, I happen to have, so I take that one away because I traded. I'm gonna trade another rod for 10 units. My last rod for 10 units. So I'm going a little faster, but I had these prepared. So I'm trading the rods. Oh, I have one lone. Let me see where I messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's my 10. All right, so now I have to share all my ones. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 2. I have to share them with these 7 pots. So I'm going to try to go a little faster. I'm going to put groups of 2 ones into every pot. I'm going to share them out. So this method, sometimes we call it divvying up, where I'm sharing. So I gave 2 ones to everybody, but I have a lot more left. So I'm going to keep going. I'm going to give 2 more. 2 more into each pot or each day, because remember these were bikers. Okay, so I'm not sure that I have enough for 2. I'm just going to give everybody 1 this time. Let's see how it goes. Keep going. Oh, it worked out evenly. So my answer, remember this represents Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 in every pot. I went back to my question. At the end of the week, he realizes he has biked 112 miles. How many miles did he ride on a given day? He rode 16 miles on a given day. So that's how I would answer that. 16 miles, because that's how much is inside of each pot.